Alright, this is my fifth capstone script. This one's on extreme sea level in Australia. Australia is considered a coastal system because of its sea level being so close to the global mean sea level. Rising sea levels happen because of human and natural systems. This is very dangerous because of flooding, which leads to environments being destroyed. Extreme sea levels are happening because of storm surge from tropical cyclones. Storm surges happen when low atmospheric pressure and high winds cause seawater to be pushed up onto the land. Typically, the tropical east coast of Australia is a bigger threat to extreme sea level because of low-lying areas that are susceptible to extreme sea levels. This can cause flooding in many coastal areas and forcing people to move landward. Ocean acidification is also a big threat in Australia because of the Great Barrier Reef's vulnerability to warming waters. This can cause rising seas because it is a driver to the risk on coastal systems. It is projected that the mean sea level will continue to increase until 21,000. Low-lying areas will start to experience effects of rising sea levels. Up until then, more research needs to be done on this issue to protect its impacts on coastal regions further into the future, and man-made structures are being made to decrease its effects on human environmental lives.